In this video, we will show you how to use the time tracking to record all your work. In order to use this feature, simply click on the timer widget located at the top of your screen. The time will keep running until you either pause or stop the timer. You can jump to different screens between your system, and the timer will keep running in the background. Once you stop the timer, a window will appear where you will select the client and add a description of the work recorded. In this example, we will search for a client, John Doe, and add a description. The time recorded and work description will appear in the Client's Accounting tab. In this screen, you can select the invoice on which the time entry and work description will be entered. For this example, we will select invoice number 0004. In this section, you can also add time entries and expenses manually in the Hourly Rates and Expenses section. In order to generate an invoice, simply select the dates of the time entries and expenses, select the invoice from the drop-down list, and click on the Generate PDF button. A new window will open with the invoice. Please be sure to check out our other videos from our video library. Thanks for watching.